What's up everyone? So today's video we're going to install this Dragy, and so I already got this started off. I'm thinking I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm not sure if it's going to stick, so but I mean hopefully it does, you know, hopefully it stays on there. So with that being done, I'm going to try to get some 0 to 60 times on this car and finally, you know, see what we get, what kind of 0 to 60 times we get. So that's going to be pretty interesting, guys. And I've been waiting for a while to get that Dragy thing. I honestly wanted a V-Box, but I mean, you know, it's just my car and at the time, so I just ordered the Dragy and that was it. I did see that it was kind of almost on par with the V-Box. I think if you watch Drag Time's channel, he makes a video on both devices and they're pretty close to each other. So with that being said, I'm just going to try that out, you know, and we'll go from there, and we're going to try it out on as many cars as we can, I guess. So stay tuned for that. Give it a thumbs up, notification buttons, you know, hit those as well, and it'll help the channel a lot, guys. It's not looking like we're gonna be able to get those 0 to 60 times in, and you know, I might go ahead and give it another try. So, but I'm gonna stop vlogging right now, but I'll go ahead and give it another try, you know, and just to see what happens. But I mean, it's the car spins, you know, and if it spins, of course, spinning ain't winning. So, you know, I can't, you know, put down a good 0 to 60 time like that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, subscribe.